Hi and everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. I will discuss about interview questions and answers related to the internal promotion examination for banks. Welcome to part 20 of my Path to the Corner Office 2025-2026 series, where I simplify bank promotion examination interviews with practical questions and answers, examples to help you climb the banking career ladder faster. Interview questions and answers from compliance, KYC, and AML. Question: what is compliance in banking? Answer: ensuring adherence to laws, RBI guidelines, internal policies, and ethical standards. Question: why is compliance important for banks? Answer: prevents legal penalties, reputational risk, and financial losses. Question: what is KYC? Answer: know your customer, process of identifying and verifying customer identity. Question: objective of KYC. Answer: prevent misuse of banking system for fraud and money laundering. Question: what is AML? Answer: anti-money laundering measures to detect and prevent illicit funds. Question: what is CFT? Answer: combating financing of terrorism. Question: who issues KYC and AML guidelines in India? Answer: Reserve Bank of India. Question: what is PMLA? Answer: Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Question: what are predicate offences? Answer: crimes generating illegal money under PMLA. Question: what is customer due diligence? CDD. Answer: process of verifying customer identity and risk profile. Question: what is EDD? Answer: enhanced due diligence for high risk customers. Question: what is simplified due diligence? Answer: reduced KYC for low risk customers. Question: what is ongoing due diligence? Answer: continuous monitoring of transactions. Question: what is risk based approach? Answer: applying controls based on customer risk. Question: what is beneficial owner? Answer: individual who ultimately owns or controls the customer. Question: what is FATF? Answer: Financial Action Task Force, Global AML Watchdog. Question: what are FATF recommendations? Answer: International AML and CFT standards. Question: what is ML? Answer: money laundering, disguising illicit funds as legitimate. Question: stages of money laundering. Answer: placement, layering, and integration. Question: what is compliance field culture? Answer: ethical and regulatory discipline within bank staff. Question: what documents are required for KYC? Answer: officially valid documents, OVDs. Question: examples of OVDs. Answer: Aadhaar, passport, voter ID, driving license, NRG job card, etc. Question: what is CKYC? Answer: Central KYC Registry. Question: what is the purpose of CKYC? Answer: one-time KYC for all financial institutions. What is eKYC? Answer: electronic KYC using Aadhaar authentication. Question: what is video KYC? Answer: remote identity verification via live video. Question: KYC for individuals versus non-individuals. Answer: different documents and ownership checks. Question: what is the KYC for proprietorship firm? Answer: owner's KYC plus business proof. Question: what is the KYC for partnership firm? Answer: partners KYC for firm documents. Question: what is the KYC for companies? Answer: incorporation documents plus directors plus beneficial owners KYC. Question: what is periodic KYC updation? Answer. Updating customers KYC at intervals. Question. Periodicity for high risk customers. Answer. Every 2 years. Question. Periodicity for medium risk customers. Answer. Every 8 years. Question. Periodicity for low risk customers. Answer. Every 10 years. Question. What is KYC non-compliance? Answer. Failure to update or verify customer details. Question. Impact of KYC non-compliance. Answer. Transaction restrictions or account freezing. Question. What is dormancy review? Answer. Re-KYC for inactive accounts. Question. What is PAN requirement? Answer. Mandatory for certain transactions. Question. What is the KYC for NRI accounts? Answer. Passport, visa, overseas address proof. Question. What is not in-person verification? Answer. Physical verification of customer identity. Question. What is suspicious transaction? Answer. Transaction inconsistent with customer profile. Question. What is STR? Answer. Suspicious transaction report. What is CTR? Answer. Cash transaction report. Question. What is CTR threshold? Answer. Cash transactions above 10 lakh in a month. Question. Who files STR and CTR? Answer. Banks to FUI IND. Question. What is FUIND? Answer. Financial Intelligence Unit India. Question. What is the time limit for STR filling? Answer. Within 7 working days. Question. What is the tipping off? Answer. Informing customer about STR filling prohibited. Question. What is AML software? Answer. Automated Transaction Monitoring System. Question. What is transaction monitoring? Answer. Ongoing review of customers' activity. Question. What is structuring? Answer. Breaking a transactions to avoid reporting limits. Question. What is smurfing? Answer. Multiple small cash deposits. Question. What is red flag indicator? Answer. Unusual behavior signaling possible ML. Question. What is the examples of AML red flags? Answer. Sudden large cash deposits, frequent transfers. Question. What is high risk customers? Answer. Customer with elevated ML risk. Question. What is PEP? Answer. Politically exposed person. Question. What is the examples of PEP? Answer. MPs, MLAs, senior bureaucrats. Question. What is the KYC for PEPs? Answer. Enhanced due diligence. Question. What is sanction screening? Answer. Checking against prohibited lists. Question. What is the sanction list include? Answer. UNSC, OAPC and domestic lists. Question. What is internal control system? Answer. Checks to ensure policy compliance. Question. What is role of compliance officer? Answer. Ensure regulatory adherence. Question. What is concurrent audit? Answer. Real-time transaction audit. Question. What is RBI inspection? Answer. Regulatory examination of banks. Question. What is risk of non-compliance? Answer. Penalties, reputational damage. Question. What is whistleblower policy? Answer. Reporting unethical practices. Question. What is maker-checker concept? Answer. Dual control to prevent fraud. Question. What is transaction authorization? Answer. Approval mechanism for transactions. Question. What is suspicious account freezing? Answer. Blocking account pending investigation. Question. What is record retention period? Answer. Minimum 5 to 10 years. Question. What is audit trail? Answer. Transaction history record. Question. What is regulatory reporting? Answer. Mandatory reporting to RBI or government. Question. What is customer risk profiling? Answer. Assigning risk category to customers. Question. Who approves high risk accounts? Answer. Senior management. Question. What is compliance testing? Answer. Periodic policy adherence checks. Question. What is AML training? Answer. Mandatory staff awareness program. Question. Frequency of AML training. Answer. At least annually. Question. What is compliance breach? Answer. Deviation from guidelines. Question. What is zero tolerance policy? Answer. No compromise on AML or KYC violations. What is reputational risk? Answer. Loss of trust due to compliance failure. Question. How to handle KYC deficient account? Answer. Restrict transactions and opt-in KYC. Question. What if customer refuses KYC updation? Answer. Freeze account as per RBI norms. Question. What is the role of branch manager in AML? Answer. Oversight and accountability. Question. What is customer onboarding risk? Answer. Risk at an account opening stage. Question. What is shell company? Answer. Entity with no real business activity. Question. How to identify shell companies? Answer. No turnover, common directors, abnormal transactions. Question. What is layering example? Answer. Multiple fund transfers to hide origin. Question. How to handle large cash deposits? Answer. Verify source and file CTR if required. Question. What is source of funds versus source of wealth? Answer. Transaction origin versus accumulated assets. Question. How does digital banking impact AML? Answer. Higher speed need stronger monitoring. Question. What is cyber enabled money laundering? Answer. Use of digital platforms for ML. Question. Role of staff accountability in compliance. Answer. Prevents negligence and misconduct. Question. What is KYC refresh drive? Answer. Bank initiated mass updation. Question. What is adverse media screening? Answer. Checking negative news on customers. Question. What is regulatory penalty? Answer. Fine imposed by RBI. Question. How to ensure compliance culture? Answer. Training, monitoring, leadership example. Question. What is customer education in AML? Answer. Awareness against misuse of accounts. Question. What is mule account? Answer. Account used by criminals via third parties. Question. How to prevent mule accounts? Answer. Customer education and transaction monitoring. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.